getting a look at the historic data and seeing what was there, and we were actually able to put out 1.9 million ounces before we put a single drill hole into the ground, which is also pretty impressive, but lots of exploration.
Hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for the StockPulse Network. We are at the New Orleans Investment Conference and excited to be joined by Kelly Earle of Skeena Resources.
Hello.
And I hear you have some good news going on with Skeena, and perhaps you could give us an update on the company and how things are looking.
Sure, yes, it's been a very busy couple months at Skeena. Most exciting thing for us was announcing a resource at Eskay Creek. So all of Skeena's projects are in the Golden Triangle of Northwest British Columbia. Our flagship projects are Snip and Eskay Creek, which are both past producing mines. Pretty famous, well-known. Eskay was the highest grade gold producer in the world when it was in production in the 90s and 2000s. We acquired both the projects from Barrick, and we just announced a maiden resource on Eskay Creek. It comes out to about 1.9 million ounces between indicated and inferred. Half of the resource is underground, which is averaging 10 grams per ton, and the other half is open pittable, averaging about 5 grams per ton. So a very high grade resource that we're very excited about.
Yeah, and I imagine it's been nice talking with a lot of the folks that are out exploring and mining, and must be a good feeling when they actually have great results like that.
Yes, it's nice to see, ounces in the ground come together, because you can see a lot of high grade results in press releases, but it doesn't always mean that it's actually going to turn into a resource. So it's nice when it all comes together. But that being said, we do have a lot of exploration drilling planned for Eskay that'll start next summer. So this was really just getting a look at the historic data and seeing what was there, and we were actually able to put out 1.9 million ounces before we put a single drill hole into the ground, which is also pretty impressive, but lots of exploration left on the project as well.
Yeah, which especially must be nice now, not the easiest environment for a lot of the companies out there, but sounds like fortunately things are going well and guys are positioned pretty nicely.
Yes, we're pretty fortunate. Aside from the Eskay Creek deal, we also just announced a deal with Hothschold, which is a mining company out of Peru, and they just took an equity position into the company, and we were able to raise about $7 million. And they're interested in our Snip project, which is another past producing mine. So we are very fortunate that we've got great projects, and we're also well positioned financially.
Yeah, and what any general comments on the financing market? Again, it's great to hear that it's gone well for you. Another part of the business that has been challenging lately. It's
been very challenging, especially at current share prices, because it's so dilutive to companies. Like I said, we're fortunate Hothschold came in at a premium, so that meant it was much less dilutive to our shareholders. But I'll echo every other junior in here. It is a challenging market to raise funds in right now, for sure. So we're very lucky. We had a major that was interested in Skeena.
Yeah, although if you have things in place, it seems like can be a good environment for companies that you can find good assets out there and good things to be going after.
Definitely, yes. Aside from Eskay, we've got our Snip project. Hothschold was very interested in Snip and trying to earn an option in Snip, so they have an option now to earn 60% into Snip. If they decide to do so, they've got 3 years to decide. That still leaves us with Eskay, so we're actually probably chasing more majors to see if we can get some more investments, and that'll be less dilutive to our shareholders
so
as
well. Sounds like that'll be the next step you guys are going after. And,
yes.
And for folks who'd like to find out more, how can they reach you and how can they find out more about the company?
Sure, so ticker symbol TSX Venture Team is SKE, or on the OTCQX it's SKREF, and you can always go to our website, SkeenaResources.com.
Well, Kelly, I'm excited to hear the good news. Congratulations. We'll look forward to following up with you soon.
Thanks very much.
All right, thank you.